Leveraging Python's asyncio for asynchronous programming. Asynchronous programming is a powerful technique that allows you to perform multiple tasks concurrently, without blocking the main thread. Python's asyncio library is a game changer in this regard, offering a simple and effective way to write asynchronous code. What is asyncio and how does it work? Asyncio is a library in Python that provides a way to write asynchronous code using the async and await keywords. The asyncio library also includes an event loop, which manages the execution of asynchronous tasks, ensuring that they run in parallel. Why should you use asyncio for asynchronous programming? Concurrent programming. With asyncio, you can easily run multiple tasks concurrently, speeding up the execution of your code. Non-blocking I/O. Asynchronous programming with asyncio allows you to perform non-blocking I/O operations, such as reading and writing to files or sockets. Async functions. With the async and await keywords, you can define functions that can be executed asynchronously, improving the overall performance of your code. Best practices for using asyncio. Use asyncio sleep. When simulating I/O operations or creating delays in your code, use asyncio sleep instead of time sleep to ensure that other tasks can continue running in the background. Utilize coroutines. Use coroutines to define your asynchronous functions, as they are lightweight and allow for efficient parallel execution of tasks. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python's asyncio library is a powerful tool for writing asynchronous code that can dramatically improve the performance of your applications. By leveraging asynccio's features, such as async functions, coroutines, and event loops, you can take advantage of concurrent programming and non-blocking I/O operations to create fast and efficient programs.